In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable path from your TikTok profile straight to your Etsy storefront, making it easy for viewers to browse and buy without hunting around. First, head to your Etsy dashboard. This is where you manage your shop and can see your shop name exactly as it appears to customers. Copy your shop name carefully, paying attention to capitalization and spacing. Your shop name is the key to confirming you're linking to the right place. From here, grab the direct link to your shop. The simplest way is to open your shop page and copy the full URL from your browser so you know it points straight to your storefront. If you prefer, you can construct the link using the standard format that leads to your public shop page. Either way, test it quickly in a new tab to make sure it loads your storefront correctly. Now, switch over to TikTok and open your account. Make sure you're signed into the profile you want customers to see. From the main screen, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your public-facing page where people see your videos, your bio, and any links you've added. Next, tap to edit your profile so you can update your bio section. Your goal here is to place your Etsy shop link where visitors will find it instantly. In many profiles, you'll see a field for a website link. Paste your Etsy shop link into that field so it becomes clickable. If you don't see a dedicated website field, paste the same link directly into your bio text. Keep the bio concise and friendly, and make sure the link is complete so it's easy for viewers to tap or copy. After pasting, save your changes. To finish, preview your profile as a visitor would. Tap the link to double-check that it opens your Etsy shop and not a sign-in page or a broken address. If it doesn't load correctly, return to your bio or website field, paste the correct link again, and save. Remember, the goal is clarity. One obvious, working link that takes people right to your shop. Keep your bio message consistent with your brand and update the link whenever your shop URL changes or you want to highlight a specific collection. That's it. You've connected your Etsy to TikTok by adding your shop link to your profile, giving viewers a frictionless way to explore your products.